Next rule of note taking and transcription is regular practice. At first, particular attention should be given to the outlines, but imperceptibly the writing will become instincts by practice, which should be regular and systematic. Practice of an hour a day is better than 2 or even 3 hours every second day. Practice in writing and practice in reading, both printed, shorthand, and your own notes, will quickly give you confidence, which has its roots in conscious ability to do the work required.